Is your back stiff and you've got constantly that back pain, that nagging that you can't get rid of? But did you also know that there are some fun exercises that we can do every single day that are not going to take too much of your time, that will mobilize your back, get it flexible, and get rid of that pain once and for all? If you're ready for this, keep on listening and let's do the exercises together. Whenever we want our back mobilized, we need to concentrate on 3 specific things, and these 3 exercises are gonna target exactly that. So the first one will work on the upper body. So think about it a little bit more like isolating every little part of the back. We are going to stabilize in the first exercise our hips, and we are going to mobilize our upper back in a very nice twisty way. The second exercise, we will reinforce our glutes, because we never really think how much our legs really help us sustaining the back, sustaining the core muscles, and help us elongating for that beautiful posture. So in the second exercise, not only we're going to work on the glutes, but we are also going to understand how to twist the whole spine from the bottom up all the way, and you'll be surprised how much more you can actually twist. You probably never thought you could do this, but I promise you, you will be able to. The third exercise, we are going a little bit for a swim, but it is going to be super fun. We are going to concentrate not only on the twisting and on the bending, but also how we can stretch and mobilize in every single way the spine is able to. Because as human beings, we are capable of amazing things, and especially our spine, our body, and our core muscles can be trained in order for us to move in beautiful, amazing ways. So let's get strengthening, let's get twisting and moving, and especially let's start with dancing. So whenever you do these exercises, you're not doing exercises, you're dancing. Let's do it. All right, so here I've got a tea towel. It would be better to have like a stick. If you've got a broomstick, use that one, because with this exercise, it's beautiful the way it makes you feel, stretch, and also doesn't really let you move the hands or the body in a different way. But just to show you, we can use a tea towel right here. But remember, broomstick, even better. So by starting with one leg in a lunge, yeah, we've got straight in front. We are in this position, so mostly of the weight is on the front leg. Yeah, don't let it be down the back. So whenever I ask you to lift, you can lift at any time. So we're still kind of working the glutes as well. So from here, just to give you a perspective where your hips are not gonna move, we are going to mobilize that upper back and opening the chest. From here, what I want you to think about is to go forward. Then at this point, that's what, see why the broomstick would be better? We go out to the side, moving back and opening the chest even more, coming around and straight forward. And we go the other way, so we find also the balance. We are completely parallel, yeah, to that broomstick or tea towel. All right, so let's do it one more time. First on one side, open out the chest, coming around, and again, keeping the core engaged. Don't sink in the back, we don't want that. You want to open it up, coming around. Right, so just because I want you to be even, I don't want you to go home, or well, you're already home, but I don't want you to be lopsided. We are going to go out the other way. So again, towards the front leg, opening up the chest, the shoulders are pushing out to the side, yeah, and come forward, around the other way. Really find the lengthening. Very good. One more time, just because I don't want you to be lopsided, we need to work both sides the same way, so that's super strong. Very good. And remember, breathe, to do one extra set or move to the side that is harder. With this, we kind of rotate around the spine. We make it nice and fluid, and we help each and every vertebra to elongate, open, and let everything rotate around. So it moves like a little wave. So do this about 5 to 10 times on one side and 5 to 10 times with the other leg. Remember, by changing the legs, we change the way our body moves. So even the muscles change the way they move. So keep it even, strong, and remember to do one extra set on the side that you know it's a little bit harder. Exercise number 2 for our spine rotation and twist is this. So we are going to start with, let's go Egyptian with me, yeah? Into this nice runner's kind of a lungey thing. It's not really a runner's lunge, I don't know what it's called. I don't remember. But this, yeah, is almost like you're doing the little squatty. So, working on the glute, working on the core. Make sure that you're not sitting on, that's why we're here, we are not sitting on the back leg, yeah? So from here, just nice and simple, twisting it around all the way. With this arm, try to pull the opposite, yeah? And then, we come back. It's almost like a karate. Wow, position. And then pull, try to push towards the back of the wall even further. And come back and breathe, core nicely engaged. Breathe, shoulders are down. Come to this position right in front of you, yeah? And then we move all the way there, very good. One more time for luck, because we've got it. Yeah, we need to understand it without moving anything. Out here, pull and push and push and pull more. Come back all the way, yes? Let's do it the other way. So opposite arm, opposite leg, you can just switch and turn around. Right in front, very good. And over to one side, very good. And pull and push and pull. Go. Back to the center, back in, very good. A couple more times. We are over here, and then we let it go more. Come back in, very good. Yes, so we've got this position without sitting, without giving me the bum. Yeah, opening up. Push and pull even more. Don't be content with where you are. Go even more. Come back in and out. Shall we do one more? Did you get it? One more. All right, yes, here. Core is nicely engaged. Can you do this? Good, that means the bum is working as well. Beautiful. Now breathe. And when you breathe out, you let all the air out and you give space and elongate more. Reach. Back in. Back down and out. Right, as I said, this we can do it 5 to 10 times. You can even increase the more it becomes easier. I want you to feel that resistance. I want you to feel that twist of the spine. I want you to feel different muscles, as well as opening and elongating the spine as much as possible. And plus, we are also working the legs, which is a plus. Legs and all the core, which sustains our spine. So remember to elongate it every single time. The third exercise to mobilize the back, we are going to go for a little bit of a rowing, but I wanted you to concentrate on how we are moving, not only side to side and back to front and just twisting. We are going to pull everything together. It's a beautiful exercise, especially, as I said, we are going to twist, move to the front, move to the side, and open up the chest. So you pretty much take your spine, you elongate it, you make it rotate it, and coming back into place. Isn't this amazing what our body can do? Yes, it's Great. So we want to mobilize it more and more to get rid of that back pain and to be even more free on the everyday movements that we do. Remember that these you can do it standing or you can do it even sitting down. Also remember guys, if you want any more plans, I've got the Get Ballerina Fit workout plan completely free down in the description box below. And you can strengthen as well as mobilizing and stretching everything that we need, plus implementing these exercises that we're learning today. Isn't that amazing? So leave it right there. So let's get into our exercise. So from here, standing up, I'm gonna move a little bit back. Yeah, so standing up here, think about already where your spine is. Or are we engaging our core or are we not? Because if we're in this position, our poor back is going to suffer. Or are we here? What is happening? Yeah? Especially when we spend a lot of time in front of a computer. So stretching your legs really, like think of Thor, whoa, or Hulk, whatever, up to you, whatever you decide, yes. Or Elastic Girl. And I give it away. Or we can just push something up the top. All right, so think that we're going for a row and you can bend your knees slightly. And then from here, keeping that's why I say the broomstick is much better. We are pushing either the broomstick or the tea towel all the way up the back and we recenter. So from this little bit here, we re-engage our abdominals to, look at this, to re-engage the ribs almost to the hip bones. Yeah, there is this little movement that we are doing. Re-grabbing my tea towel. We're going the other way. So you're bending over without shifting our weight. Bending over, yeah? And you go, watcha! Cutting in front, yeah? Pushing out to the side. All the way. Re-engaging the abdominals. And again, row. Push. Open the chest. Watcha! Very good. One more time. Push to the side so we get this nice side stretch. All the way to the back. Watcha! Yes, even this one, do it 10-15 times. We go side to side. Keep on moving it forward. And the more you do it, the more fluid it becomes. So we can stop thinking about what the muscles are doing and the body will automatically at some point do it by itself. So even in your everyday life, whatever you do, your muscle will know exactly what to do, but we need to train them first. So remember, start with 10 to 15, yeah, side to side, and then build up from there. The moment it becomes easy, this is a rule, yeah, that I've got for every time I implement a new exercise. You start, it's hard, but when it gets easier, start adding an extra set or an extra set of exercise. And you keep doing that, yeah? Because we don't want it to be easy. We always want to challenge ourselves a little bit more to push forward and to be the best and strongest person that we are on the planet. Superhero style, yes? So I really hope that was helpful. Let me know how it goes in the comments down below. I want to know all your progress. And remember, the Get Ballerina Fit is right there to take you on a little journey and to get you stronger. It's completely free and is down in the description box below. Otherwise, guys, I shall see you next week for more fun. Ciao!